painting? Of course! You're painting the house pink. A beautiful color. Yes, very beautiful. In the most beautiful color in the whole wide world. Hello, Pocoyo. Hello, Pato.
Hey!
Ellie's still got quite a lot to paint. Maybe she could use some help.
Paint!
I think perhaps she'd love some help.
Paint!
Well, Ellie, you've certainly made a very pink house. What's up? There, a nice can of pink. Pato, I'm afraid Ellie's not happy with your color. Ellie insists you paint the house pink.
No, blue!
Pato's painted your portrait on the wall. But Ellie, it can't be that bad to paint with other colors. A pink roof, Ellie. What, Pocoyo? Oh no, Pato! Guys, maybe you should... Easy now, guys. Wait a minute. If you don't calm down, you'll never solve this. What a mess.